Hello, my name is Katja Ludwig. I'm from the Machine Learning and Computer Vision Lab from the University of Augsburg, and I will present you how to detect arbitrary intermediate key points for human pose estimation with vision transformers. In many sports disciplines, video analysis is a popular technique for performance evaluation and improvement. Human pose estimation models can automate the key point detection part that is involved in many analyses. Hence, they are less time-consuming and the availability increases. Derived parameters such as body angles rely on the key point locations. If a key point is wrong, all parameters that rely on that key point are affected. Furthermore, imprecise detections also have an impact on the derived parameters and make them less robust. Detecting intermediate key points can improve this robustness, as they can be used to calculate additional derived parameters that are not dependent on the fixed standard key points. Most human pose estimation datasets only have a fixed set of key points, and for most human pose estimation models, adding new points requires a full retraining of the model. The first naive approach is to add more key points. We use token pose, a vision transformer architecture, as a base model because transformer architectures can deal with input sequences of various length. For each fixed and additional key point, a learnable key point token is created. We found that with this approach, all additional key point tokens are required in the input sequence, otherwise all detections will fail. A solution for that problem is to randomly sample and permute the standard and additional key point tokens, which is displayed here in the figure. Another problem is revealed if we have a look at the similarity matrix. The similarity between corresponding left and right key point tokens is higher than the similarity between neighboring tokens, which we can see in the figure on the right. We have the key point tokens of left and right ski tip and tail and 9 equally spaced intermediate key points. Darker color in the matrix indicates higher similarity. These lines here and here show a high similarity between left and right, whereas we would expect a color gradient here and always around the diagonal. Hence, designing tokens to detect arbitrary intermediate key points is impossible. A solution are keypoint vectors. Like feature patches, the designed keypoint vectors are embedded into keypoint tokens via a learned linear transformation. Some examples for keypoint tokens are shown on the right. Each column here shows a keypoint vector. For fixed key points, we have unit vectors with a 1 in the entry matching the keypoint number, what results in an identity matrix. Keypoint vectors always sum up to 1 and represent a linear combination of the vectors of the fixed key points with the factors from the keypoint vector. Examples are here on the right. In this short presentation, I will just present the results on the ski jump dataset. We also evaluated our method on another sports dataset with triple and long jump videos, and on MS Coco. Details can be found in the paper. The ski jump dataset contains over 11,000 images from 354 videos. We used the percentage of correct key points as an evaluation metric, which is relative to the torso size. Some example detections can be found in the images here. The white cross, which you can see for example here, here, here and here, indicates the desired key point. The detection of the matching key point in a ski jumping video frame is marked with a small red circle in the upper images. Some results are displayed in this table. The average PCK over all key points for the standard token pose model is 81.9%. If we add 36 intermediate key points, the PCK on the standard key points drops slightly to 81.1%, which is expected as the focus of the problem is shifted a little. The PCK on standard and added key points rises a little, and the PCK using only the standard tokens in the input sequence drops to 14.4%. Random sampling fixes that problem, but the PCK values for the fixed key points are lower. With the keypoint vector model, the PCK values are nearly identical to the baseline, and arbitrary intermediate key points can be detected as shown in the images before. The PCK, including 1 to 30 randomly chosen key points, is even 84.8%. Even evaluating with only one single key point token in the input sequence achieves a PCK of 80.9%.